Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. Here at Drinkstuff, we're all about giving you drinks and cocktail inspiration to help you make and create better drinks at home. In this video, this is the follow-up to the strawberry with vodka video that I did. I'm going to use rum as the base for this next three. If you want to find out the difference between the kind of two Monin Strawberry Syrups here, check out the first video. I'm not going to be talking about that. I'm not going to use the wild strawberry one for this. I'm going to use the normal Monin Strawberry. However, don't tune out if you haven't got Monin Strawberry Syrup here. You could adapt these recipes with fresh strawberries. You could use strawberry puree. You could use strawberry liqueur. You could use strawberry jam, whatever. Just kind of have a little play. These cocktails and these videos are all about inspiration. Not necessarily to follow the recipes exactly, but just to kind of give you ideas of what you can and can't do. So, the first one I'm going to do, I'm going to dive straight into it. This is like really easy to start off with. I'm going to do a coconut and strawberry daiquiri. So, we are going in a cocktail glass, a cocktail shaker. And I'm going for whatever your favourite coconut rum is. I've got a couple here. I've also got coconut, Captain Morgan coconut there from the US. But I'm just going to use DMF here, and I'm going to work in ounces as I have been doing. So I just kind of think the 60ml works better than the 50. So we're going 60ml, 2 ounces of your favourite coconut rum in there. So a bit of double bubble there. So 40 and 20 of coconut. Lovely. Right, then next ingredient. For this, I'm going to go for the syrup. Now, the one thing I have said in the previous videos, these, although they're syrups, they're not overly sweet. So you kind of adjust them. Normally, I would do for daiquiris, I would go 2 ounces or 2 shots of your booze, 1 shot of your citrus, and then half a shot of your sweetener, your sugar. But with these, I kind of do that extra bit more. So I'm going 60ml for the booze. I'm going 20, so I'll do 30ml for the citrus in a second. So 30ml citrus, and then I'm going 20ml instead of 15 of the Monin there. So 20ml of this. But as I say, feel free to play about and find your own personal kind of ratio. I think everyone's got a different palate. Don't worry too much. Everyone's different. Right, so as I just said, 30ml of lime juice. And that's it for a daiquiri. Daiquiris are just booze, citrus, sweetener. That's all. So if you want to use strawberry liqueur in there, you swap out that for 15ml of strawberry liqueur and a tiny bit of normal sugar syrup in there. If you're using puree, it depends how sweet your puree is, but again, you kind of need to adjust the taste. If you're using fresh strawberries, muddle your strawberries down with a bit of sugar, and then again, kind of adjust the taste. So, right, let's ice this up. So add some ice. Here we go. And then we are going to shake, give it some good old welly, 10, 12 seconds. Right, there we go. Now, daiquiris, you can do them in Nick and Nora glasses, you can do them in coupe martini glasses. I actually really do love them in rocks glasses over ice. So whatever you fancy, whatever you want to do. So if you want to go fresh ice in there, actually, I know what I'm going to do. I always forget about this bit. Cut, and I'm back. So I always forget about these. Again, it's the inspiration. Ice balls in a kind of rocks glass there. So a nice ball of ice in there. And then I was just going to do a shake and dump, but I will strain. Amazing. That's going to be good. That's going to be good. So garnish for this, I've got strawberry there. Now do whatever, sprig of mint. Oh, I've got a sprig of mint as well. Do a sprig of mint. If you're feeling flush and you've got a coconut, you could do a coconut. Okay. So strawberry and coconut daiquiri. Hate that. I get so excited. I get so excited. I drop the strawberries. There we go. Let's leave that down there. Oh, that's so good. Oh, coconut. Best way to enjoy rum is with a daiquiri. Oh, amazing. So there we go. Let's prop him up there. There we go. Right. So, cocktail number 2. I thought I'd go a little bit funny. You know, so the inspiration for this came from, I was out shopping. I saw this years ago, to be fair. But the smoothie mixes that you get in the frozen section, where you just get all the frozen fruit and put in your smoothie, the one thing they've always got is strawberry and banana. So I'm thinking, all right, barman, let's do a strawberry and banana pina colada? Strawberry and banana colada. How do you like the sound of that? Right then, I don't often do this one there, but I've got my little NutriBullet, always sits there. So I'm actually going to flash blend this one. Now, strawberry and banana, there's a lot of ways that we could do this. I'm going to show you what I think would be the most basic for this, but feel free to interpret this how you want. So, rum. I'm going for some aged rum here. And I'm going 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of just a decent sort of aged gold rum. 45 ml, 1.5 ounces. Now, I'm going to add banana liqueur to this because I flipping love this banana liqueur. It's very sexy, this. However, are we on? I'm going to dive around up here for a second. I've got one. No, I've just got one up here. Where's my other one? I've normally got 2 banana rums. So you could go for a full 60 ml, 2 ounces of banana rum. This can't go cold. Hoxton have got one. Red Leg have got a banana one now. These guys, my mate Tom from the Rockstar has got a banana bomb. Let's leave that there for a second. So if you want to do 2 ounces of a banana rum, again, be my guest. But I'm just going plain rum and then 15 ml of banana liqueur. Okay, right. Now, pop that there. Let's pop this back. Right. Pop that there. Right. Next ingredient. I'm going for some lime juice. Not too much. 15 ml of lime juice. There we go. 15 ml. I'm going for my strawberry syrup now. And I want this to be lovely and vibrant, so I'm going 20 ml of Monin Strawberry Syrup. Say this one would be perfect for fresh strawberries or a strawberry liqueur or strawberry jam, whatever you fancy. So I've got 20 ml of that. Now I'm going for some cream actually. Again, I'm not a huge cream person, but I'm going for some cream in this. And how much cream have I put in here? 25 ml of cream. Can't remember. Let's go, as we're working in ounces, let's go 30 ml. 30 ml of cream. Lovely. Bit of cream. And then, let's pop the cling film back on that. And then I'm going to go for some pineapple juice. I've got some pressed pineapple juice here. And I'm going 60 ml, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. There we go. 50, 10. Right. Now the secret to flash blending, because we don't want it proper slushy, but we kind of want it sort of there. So you kind of want to use like the smallest ice you can, normally crushed ice. I've got my pebble ice here, so I'm just going to fill my NutriBullet about that full of pebble ice. Pop that to one side. Just put my lid on. Now just going to flash blend this. Normally for about 5-6 sort of seconds or so, not too much more than that. All right, so a bit of flash blending. Let's give it a good shake, get the strawberry. Right, there we go. Right, so flash blend, and I'll cut the bzzz out so you don't hear it. Right. So, oh, lovely. See, that was literally 5-6 seconds, not much more. It's not proper slushy, but it's just thick enough. See that? Oh yeah. Oh, has he done that? Oh, he's done that. Oh, my word. He's good, isn't he? He is magic. It's like I've done that before. And I haven't. Right, Dean, I've filled it up a bit too much, though. Woo! Brain freeze. The scary thing with that doesn't taste boozy at all. It just tastes like strawberry and banana milkshake. Oh, that's good. Or you could add some more booze to that, but that is proper tasty. Right then, let's just pop that there. Right then, cocktail number 3. I'm going for a simple strawberry and passion fruit mojito. Simple. And so simple, I'm not even going to muddle limes for this one. We're just going to keep it ultra simple. So, again, there's no right or wrong order for this one either. So, let's go for our rum. And I'm going to go 45 ml again of aged rum. Let's have cream in it now. Let's get another jigger. So 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of aged rum. In here, 45, there we go. For my passion fruit is going to come from 2 places. So I'm going for Pessoa, because everyone's got that, because you all make porn star martinis at home, don't you? So I'm going 15 ml of Pessoa, or 20. I'm going for some lime juice here, and I will go 30 ml for this. 30 ml for lime juice. So you could use fresh lime. muddle down some lime if you want to, but I'm going proper easy. 30 ml of lime juice. We obviously want our sweetener in there as well. So now I'm going for 20 ml of my strawberry syrup. 20. Now, notice I haven't got my mint in there yet, because what I love doing with the mint, I don't believe in muddling mint. I just don't. So what I like to do, oh, look at these. We've got some proper nice ones here. Look, 1, 2. Right, that one. So you want about 10 to 12 mint leaves in the bin, and this one, yeah, perfect. 10 to 12 mint leaves, and all you want, palm your hand, give them a spank, and all that will just awake the aromas, and that's all you need from this. You don't need any more in there. And I'm going to save that for a garnish in a second. So final ingredient now is some soda water, and again, this bit pretty much up to you. I reckon I'm going to want about 100 ml of soda water in here. 50, yeah, about 100. There we go. Now, I'm going to pop some fresh passion fruit pulp in there in a second. Actually, I can do it now. I was going to do it after iced. I've got a passion fruit here. Where's my spoon? So I'm going to put some passion fruit pulp, just that sort of stuff in there, just in the bottom. There we go. That'll do. A bit more passion fruit. Let's pop that there to one side. And I've got some bit more of this pebble ice in here. I might need a bit of, I'm going to need a couple of cubes of ice in there. That'll do for a second. Right, all I'm going to do is give it a stir, bring the limes and the mint to the top. Notice how often I say that. I do cocktail masterclasses for a living. So the limes are there's no limes in there. What we're going to do is we're going to bring the passion fruit seeds, and we're just going to stir it. That's all we're going to do. We're going to give it a good stir. There we go. Strawberry passion fruit. We've got any more? We've got enough. Let's get all this out. There we go. And one more cube of ice. Perfect. There we go. How do you like that? Right, sprig of mint. Sprig. Oh, these are magical. Oh, passion fruit there to garnish as well. Oh, I don't know what my favourite is out of these ones. Oh, coconut. So strawberry and coconut DAC, banana and strawberry colada, and then a passion fruit and strawberry mojito. So as I say, I'm going to kind of dive off into other flavours now to shoot off. We've got blueberry and all that sort of stuff to film, but I will revisit strawberry, and we've got whiskey to do, we've got tequila to do, you name it, they're coming. So if you haven't done already, throw us a subscribe, throw us a like, and I'd love to see you in the next videos to do. As always, if you make any of these cocktails, upload them to Instagram, tag us at Drinkstuff. We'd love to see what you get up to. So that's it from me. I will see you in the next video.